at this shit. TV, stereo, DVD. The fuck's this?
Universal remote.
Universal remote. Probably wiped your ass barehanded till you came to this country.
So, Valerie, you got Silvio's money?
Silvio.
Watch it, comrade.
Money is on an entertainment center.
Better not be any rubles in there.
Put remote on docking station.
What?
Universal remote. Put it down on docking station.
Listen to this prick giving orders. You got some balls, my friend. Whoops.
Holy.
What? It was an act.
You want to fuck here, cocksucker? Come to my house!
What did you call me?
Holy, where the f are you? What? What'd you do?
Would I have a choice?